Hello friends, welcome back to Afnan Talks. So friends, it's a very common question that when you import any picture into your Word document, so how you correct that picture or you can sharp that picture in the MS Word, because if you want any other software, it's very disturbing and very annoying that you are making the document in MS Word and you are correct your picture in any other software, Adobe etc. So there are many options in MS Word that you can correct your picture. Just copy and paste your picture here. Okay, now this is the picture. Click on that picture. The new tab will be open. Format, go to the format and see there are the options. You don't have any other software, Adobe or etc. There are options in MS Word from where you can correct and sharp your picture. Click on the picture and go to the correctness. Select any of the level you want to select. Brightness level, C plus 20, 0, minus 20. And from here you can select the brightness. I want to select this. From here you can change the color of the picture. You see, from here you can easily change the color. I want to select this, and from here you can give an artistic effect. I want this. And also you can remove the background for here. Okay, and if you don't want any format and if you want to remove all the format, just click to the reset picture. From the reset picture all the format will get clear. So friend, this is how you can easily format your picture in the same MS Word. You don't have any other software. Okay guys, if you like the video, please press the like button and also share this video and subscribe my channel if you are new, so you will get the notification of the new videos, and also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.